Hello and welcome to the first installment of Student Ventures, a series curated to find out about our incisive students at ITU, to find out about their interests and learn about their professional journeys. For the first episode, we have with us Syed Mohammad Kamal, who is a final year student of Business Management and Technology at ITU. Welcome, Kamal.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for having me. So,
How are you?
I'm good. What about you?
I'm good as well.
Yes.
So let's dive straight in. I'm going to ask you about the job experience that you've had since you've joined ITU. So have you had any jobs since joining ITU in the past 3.5, 4 years?
Yeah, absolutely. But before getting into it, I wanna provide a disclaimer over here that whatever we will talk about, it's the key takeaway from it will be networking and communication.
Okay.
So now मुझे मेरी पहली जॉब किस तरह मिली? That was through the same network that I was talking about.
Okay.
I got my first job from LinkedIn, and it was in textile and fashion industry. It was a company named as Crescent Textiles. उनकी multiple sister और daughter companies थी, जिसमें से By the Way है, Limelight है, Crosstitch है. They were actually wholesalers, so they have the network over it. Moreover, वो उनके ही family members में से थे. So yeah, so I started over there as a graphic designer initially. Then I got promoted as a digital marketer / marketing executive. Back then I didn't knew that what actually digital marketing or what actually marketing is. But as I went through it, I got the gist of it. So that was my first job, and I continued it for like 1.5 years. Then I had to end it because my on-site studies continued.
Yeah.
So yeah, I didn't get to like manage it with the
Okay, so you started off as a graphic designer,
Yeah.
and then they gave you the role of a
Marketing
digital
executive,
marketer.
yeah.
Right. And this was for sort of a couple of brands.
Yeah, a couple of brands. There were multiple brands. The major ones were One Apparel,
Okay.
Limelight, Crosstitch, and they launched a new brand of their own that was FTW, inspired by
Right.
BTW.
Right.
It was fit to wear. So yeah, I worked for them. I designed their campaigns. So the concept of marketing executive, basically, they wanted me to like strategize the content for myself and like do it for myself too.
Right.
So there's a less discrepancy over the communication and stuff.
Right,
Yeah.
right. So more of a flexible structure
Yeah.
as well. Okay. And you started this back in
20 right after my second semester.
Right.
Like I got an offer letter for it when my final exams were happening for the second semester,
Okay. Okay.
and I joined the next day. My exams ended.
Right. So your first sort of foray into the job market was through being a graphic designer,
Yeah.
and then you took that role into being a digital marketer.
Yes,
Right?
yes.
Okay. And after that, that stint, did you then do something else? Did you get into freelancing? Or
Yeah.
What happened?
तो जब ब्रेक आया ना ये वाला, तो अब मुझे एक आदत हो गई थी टू लाइक बेयर माई सेल्फ और टू लाइक सस्टेन माई सेल्फ. So there was a constant spree of thoughts that how should I get at the gap, or what should I do and how should I do it. तो वो जो what वाला पार्ट था इसका, उसके लिए तो मल्टीपल आंसर्स थे कि ये कर लेना चाहिए, वो कर लेना चाहिए. लेकिन जो how वाला पार्ट था, फॉर मी इट वाज लाइक टू पार्टनर अप विद सम पीपल जिनके अलाइनमेंट सेम हो. और मतलब व्हाट आई हैव लर्न सो फार इज़ कि आप अकेले जो काम करते हो उससे बहुत बेहतर आप तब करते हो अगर आपको सेम अलाइनमेंट वाला कोई पार्टनर मिल जाए.
Okay.
तो आई स्टार्टेड कपल ऑफ स्मॉल बिजनेसेस. उसमें सबसे पहले जो थोड़ा कैपिटल मेरे पास सेव हो गया था क्योंकि उस वक्त इतने खर्चे नहीं होते थे, तो आई इन्वेस्टेड इन टू कार बिजनेस. I partially invested, and not the complete car, but I partially invested with some of my friends, and we imported a car and we sold it.
Wonderful.
So yeah, then reinvested the amount we gained, and then discontinued.
Right.
Then after that, I with a friend of mine, I started a cosmetic brand that named as Queen's Beauty.
Okay.
After that, I started like brand shipping. Brand shipping is a concept where like जिस तरह यहाँ पे Zara और Next वगैरह नहीं मिलते, retail shops नहीं है, तो we get them imported and sell them.
And then you sell them.
Yeah. So these were the few little ventures that I did.
Right. So you
Yeah.
were sort of whatever you had earned, you had started reinvesting that.
Yeah. उसमें एक बहुत बड़ी रीज़न ये थी कि when you start earning तो आपके पास एक कॉन्फिडेंस आता है जो आपने खुद अर्न किया होता है and then you own it.
Right.
तो when you own it तो जब आपकी वो ओनरशिप वाली चीज़ आप कहीं पे इन्वेस्ट कर रहे होते हैं ना तो आपके जहन में एक चीज़ बहुत क्लियर होती है कि इट हैज़ टू बी द बेस्ट. तो जब आप वो नियरेस्ट टू बेस्ट कर रहे होते हो तो इट इज़ फ्रूटफुल.
Right. And it
Yeah.
also motivates you to do better.
Yes.
Right. But you've sort of invested you were invested in a couple of things. So you
Yeah.
didn't do one particular thing. So
Mhm.
you were diversified from graphic designing to digital marketing,
Yeah.
then investing in car business,
Yeah.
cosmetics. So you were doing quite a lot of things.
Yes, I missed one thing. I also started my digital agency named as Potho Studios with another friend.
Okay.
उसमें हमारे स्टूडियोज़ का कॉन्सेप्ट ये था कि वी हैव अ डिज़ाइन स्टूडियो सेपरेटेड देन द डेवलपमेंट स्टूडियो एंड सिमिलर लाइक दैट.
Okay.
बट व्हाट वी डिड इज़ उसको लेके हमारी इंटेंशन बेसिकली अर्निंग नहीं थी जो कि टिपिकल फ्रीलांसिंग प्लेटफॉर्म से होती है. वो आप इंडिविजुअल फ्रीलांसिंग के तौर पे भी उतने ही अर्न कर रहे होते हैं या उससे ज़्यादा ही कर लेते हो. बल्कि उसको लेके एक विजन ये था कि उसको एज अ प्लेटफॉर्म यूज़ किया जा सके जहाँ पे उन्हीं स्टूडियोज़ के अंडर प्रोडक्ट्स निकल सकें.
Okay.
सो व्हाट वी डिड कि हमारे ज़्यादातर क्लाइंट्स वर ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स एनालिसिस एंड दे वर फ्रॉम द यूके रीजन. So we identified a market that was a very niched market and that was untapped. So we are developing a product on it. So उसको लेके वो typical freelancing वाला mindset नहीं था.
Right.
Yeah.
So I mean that is also something completely different
Yeah.
to what
Yeah.
you've been doing. But that's wonderful that your interests are so diverse and you are tapping into each of that segment.
To be honest इस stage में हमें अपने interest clear होते ही नहीं है.
So you
तो
tend-
वी ट्राई टू एक्सप्लोर थिंग्स. और आई थिंक कि जब आप स्टूडेंट होते हो ना आपके पास एक शील्ड होती है कि अगर व्हेन एवर यू फेल एट समथिंग तो आप कह सकते हो कि यार मैं तो स्टूडेंट हूँ. लेकिन वंस यू गेट डन विद योर स्टूडेंट लाइफ तब आप जो कर रहे हो इट हैज़ टू बी लाइक वेरी फ्रूटफुल और वेरी अप्रोप्रिएट.
Also, I mean, this also you have to reinterpret
Yeah.
sort of failing. You're learning.
Yeah.
So, given that you had diverse interests,
Mhm.
so then that means that you can tap into multiple segments,
Yeah.
learn. Maybe some of them will not be successful, some of them will be successful.
Obviously.
But eventually, whatever happens, you will be learning out of each of those experiences.
Yeah. वो जो इंडस्ट्री में बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम यूज़ होती है कि जब इंटर्न्स हायर किए जाते हैं तो उनको कहते हैं यू आर बीइंग पेड इन एक्सपीरियंस.
Yes.
तो या दैट टोटली मेक सेंस. मेरा जो फर्स्ट इंटरव्यू लिया था दैट वाज टेकन बाय जनरल मैनेजर शाकाम इंडस्ट्रीज़.
Okay.
तो दैट वाज टफ फॉर मी. और उनसे जब मैं निगोशिएट करने की कोशिश कर रहा था अपनी तरफ से तो उन्होंने मुझे यही कहा था कि तुम यूनिवर्सिटी में फ़ीस देते हो. मैंने कहा जी. कहते क्या सीख रहे हो. मैंने कहा ये सीख रहा हूँ. तो उनको ये मसला नहीं था टिपिकल कि वो कहते हैं कि यूनिवर्सिटी से क्या ही सीख लिया. वो बस ये कह रहे थे कि आप यहाँ पे आओगे हम भी आपको सिखाएंगे. तो व्हाट यू आर आस्किंग फॉर इट लेट इट गो फॉर द सेक ऑफ व्हाट यू विल लर्न फ्रॉम हियर.
Right.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Okay, so if I have to now ask you, what would be the top sort of skills that you have learned or acquired through these experiences? What would you say?
Communication, networking, और other than the hard skills were like soft skills कह लें या उसको hard skills कह लें. Those were directly related to designing and marketing stuff. I don't label myself as a marketer yet because I'm in learning curve of that. But I have interest in that field and I am opting it for now. Yeah.
That's right. Okay. And what do you think your future would look like? Where do you want to go from here? That's a
That's
difficult question, I know.
No, that's a difficult one, but that's also comes with a twist. My dream job is like to work in aviation industry.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So फॉर मी अ गुड जॉब और अ ड्रीम जॉब इज़ वेयर या तो मुझे ट्रैवल के लिए अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ वो खुद से प्रोवाइड कर दें या वो मुझे इतने पैसे दे रहे हो कि मैं
That
फ्रीली
you can
ट्रैवल कर
travel.
सकूँ या
Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah.
So you want to travel.
यस
Whatever the job is, that's something that you want
अगेन
to do.
उससे भी वही लिंक्ड है कि उससे आपकी नेटवर्किंग बढ़ती है यू आर एबल टू कम्युनिकेट रिगार्डलेस के कितनी डाइवर्सिटी है क्या है और यू ऑलवेज गेट द एक्सपोजर ऑफ डिफरेंट नेशंस और डिफरेंट
You
पीपल
add to the bucket of your experience.
like recently I went to Azerbaijan for a UNDP conference.
Okay.
So there the people were like I personally feel I don't deserve to be like seated with them even,
Yeah.
but
Don't say that. You definitely deserve to be there, and that's why you were there.
that's a series of personal doubts or insecurities that everyone has. So yeah, but I'm saying it because they were like highly professional technocrats, not only bureaucrats. So yeah, technocrats के साथ बात करना और उनके साथ up, you always learn from them and you feel that you don't have anything to offer that is coming for it. So that's why I'm saying that.
But
Yeah.
we believe in you, Kamal. Don't worry.
Thank you so much.
Don't sort of cloud your mind
Yeah.
with any self-doubt. We don't want that. Anyways, so thank you for being here, Kamal.
Thank you so much
I
for having
wish
me.
you all the best for your future endeavors.
Thank you so much.
And thank you everyone who will be watching us. Thank you for your time, and we shall see you soon. Goodbye.